Hi everybody, welcome to KD Cuts. In today's video, we're going to hack the Indiana tool belt again. Now, I've already showed you how you can make two belts with one kit. This one on the right is my personal model, and I showed you how to install a magnet in here so you'd have some kind of holder for your tool. This is for me. At the time, all I had was a 24 millimeter magnet, so I had to put a couple of rivets in here, and I had to build a pocket to keep the magnets secured. I'm going to do this again for the Indiana tool belt that I'm building for a client. It's a fly fisherman. Fly fishermen always have something like a forceps. They always have a Swiss Army knife or a Leatherman tool or something like that. And they got all kind of other crazy stuff they hang off the belt. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to install the 19 millimeter magnet, because I'm basically going to be able to put those right below where it'll hold in those forceps, and I won't have to build a sleeve because it'll be short enough to fit inside of that length. So I'm going to take this one apart, deconstruct it, and show you how to do that. So pretty simple, guys. I took off the retaining strap. Now I'm going to take the magnet out of here. Our magnet set, it's two magnets. I'm just going to take these magnets, and look, there's a spacer between them, which you don't need to keep. Okay. And then all I have to do is shove this magnet set down. Okay. Okay, so you see I can get that magnet set deep in there. And what I'll have to do next, see that it's starting to pop up, I'll just sew two seams around here so those magnets are captured and stay in place. So I'll put in two stitch lines. I use my modeling tool, and I contoured two stitch lines around the magnet to hold the magnet in place. So QED, I've got that magnet sewn under. It's gonna provide a nice stick. Let me go ahead and reassemble this Fly Fisherman Indiana tool belt. Show you what it looks like. Finished. So guys, this is proving to be a little tight. I'm gonna go ahead and remove 3 millimeters from one edge so I can get the adjustable strap back in place. So there you have it, guys. The Indiana tool belt with a 19 millimeter magnet. Notice how the magnet is retaining the forceps. I think that 19 millimeter size is perfect. You saw how easy I retrofitted this in. If you were doing this from scratch, it'd be a no-brainer. So again, this is our third time we've talked about the Indiana tool belt. I think it is a great kit from Tandy. If you found this interesting, please subscribe and hit the like button down below, and talk to you in the future about other interesting topics in leatherworks. Thanks. See you soon.